mystery of giant seeds inside Chayote, a bag of supplies to rule the world. We often cut it, cook it, enjoy the crunchy flesh. But have you ever actually looked inside a chayote? Beneath this unremarkable fruit's flesh lies an evolutionary marvel, a mystery of immense proportions. There's only one, a giant seed, perfectly embedded. Why only one? And why is it so big? What secrets does this solitary giant guard? Let's dive in and unlock this treasure chest of nature. Look, with the help of a microscope, we can see the details of what a single seed looks like in a chayote. Because the chayote is so soft when cut, without us realizing it, there is a single seed in the chayote, which is a habit, especially among Asian people, of cutting the chayote straight away without looking inside. The single seeds are more towards cream color and have a pale green, different from the chayote flesh, which is bright green as we see in the first minute of the video. First, let's understand the oddity. Most tomatoes, chilies, and oranges have dozens or even hundreds of tiny seeds. But this chayote strategy is completely different. All in one-shot bet. He invested all his resources into creating one perfect, strong, and well-endowed seed. It's like a parent investing all his inheritance in one child, hoping that he or she will be the strongest and most capable of surviving. In botany, this is called a viviparous strategy. These seeds can germinate and begin to live, even while still safely inside their mother's womb. Imagine a seed that's ready to fight before it emerges. But what kind of resources does it have to be so strong? In the first minute of the video, we dissect this giant. When you cut it open, you'll see something predominantly white on the edge of the single seed. This white part is the cotyledon, or seed leaf. This is the plant's food supply. It contains stores of starch, protein, and oil. It's the supply of rice and side dishes for the sprout's long journey. Other small seeds only carry a small portion of provisions, but this chayote seed carries a full ration for months. This cotyledon is the main reason it's so large and why it's only one. All that energy is poured into this. And this brings us to the big question. If it's this nutritious, can we eat it? The answer is yes. And humans have been doing it for a long time. When chayote is young and its seeds are soft, we often chop it and cook it directly with vegetables. Its texture is soft, almost like peas. But the real magic lies in the mature seeds. Once dried and roasted, it transforms into a crunchy, savory, and nutritious snack. It's a hidden source of plant-based protein. But just how nutritious is it? What's so special about it compared to the flesh of the fruit we eat every day? This is a true battle inside one fruit. In the left corner, the giant seed, champion of protein and good fats. Its protein content can be more than 6 times that of the fruit flesh. It's a dense energy package. In the right corner, the fruit flesh, a champion of low calories, vitamins, and fiber, rich in vitamin C, folate, and of course, high water content. So which one wins? The answer is none. They're not opponents, but complementary teams. The seed is the logistics center for giving birth to new life, while the flesh of the fruit acts as a house and protector, ensuring the seeds are safe until their time comes. Nature does not waste time. So, what are the benefits for us? Consuming chayote seeds, especially in extract or flour form, is more than just a snack. Scientific studies show that the protein in these seeds is special. It has the unique ability to help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing the digestion of carbohydrates. Additionally, as a source of antioxidants, it helps fight free radicals. It's a perfect example of how utilizing something we often discard can bring significant benefits. This is a lesson from nature about sustainability and the power of simple design. So, what does this single, large seed teach us? It teaches us about investment, patience, and preparedness. Look inside, find a giant seed, and remember, in the seemingly ordinary, often overlooked. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and and turn on the notification bell as we continue to uncover hidden scientific mysteries hidden in everyday objects around us. See you on our next science adventure.